Welcome back to Sweet Data. In today's video, we're going to delve into the essential process of data cleaning. Whether you're an experienced data scientist, a data enthusiast, or just someone dealing with data, understanding the significance of data cleaning is pivotal. Join us as we explore why data cleaning is crucial and dive into practical examples of common data cleaning tasks that will empower your data analysis endeavors. Let's get started. Why data cleaning matters. Imagine receiving a dataset filled with errors, inconsistencies, and missing values. Without proper data cleaning, your analysis could lead to unreliable insights, poor decision-making, and wasted time and resources. Data cleaning is the process of identifying and correcting or removing errors, ensuring the data you work with is not just reliable but impeccable. Common data cleaning tasks. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into some common data cleaning tasks that you're bound to encounter on your data-driven journey. The Duplication Dilemma. Duplicates have the potential to skew your analysis. Wield the power of tools like Python's Pandas library to detect and banish duplicate rows from your dataset, ensuring each data point has its moment in the spotlight. Taming Missing Values. Missing values are the ghosts that haunt your dataset, and you must exorcise them. Choose between dropping rows with missing data, imputing values through various methods, or even employing advanced techniques like k-nearest neighbors to breathe life back into your dataset. The quest for uniform data formats. Data often comes in a multitude of formats. The solution? Standardize these formats, ensuring uniformity, which, in turn, streamlines your analysis and visualization processes. Rectifying inaccuracies. Errors in data entry are as ubiquitous as they are troublesome. Identify and rectify inaccuracies, such as pesky typos, by conducting rigorous data validation. The Outlier Odyssey. Outliers are the wildcards in data analysis. Employ statistical techniques to detect and manage these outliers effectively, preventing them from distorting your results. Navigating inconsistent categorization. Consistency is key when it comes to categories and labels. Utilize techniques like text matching to harmonize categorizations, ensuring your data is on the same page. Data cleaning may not be the star of the show in data analysis, but it is the director behind the scenes, shaping the narrative of your insights. By applying these data cleaning techniques, you're not just cleaning data, you're purifying the lens through which you view the world of data. After all, the old adage holds true: garbage in, garbage out. For reliable results, invest in the foundation of quality data cleaning. That's a wrap for today's video. I trust you found this guide to data cleaning illuminating. If so, do us a favor and hit that like button, and remember to subscribe for more data-driven content. If you have questions or topics you'd like us to explore in future videos, share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode.